Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a super quick nursery clean with me. I like to do this about once every week and a half, just to clean up Bee's nursery, because from changing diapers and snotty noses, it can get kind of dirty. So I like to just go over everything, clean everything on her dresser, her change pad. I put on a fresh change pad and I always change the sheet at least once a week. And I am using the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent for this because I don't like using any harsh chemicals in Bee's room. That's just a big no-no for me. Blake is in this video, so you will see her. She follows me around. It's so cute. I gave her a cloth and she'll like follow me and pretend to dust as well. It's adorable. If you're new to my channel, she is 12 months old and we are currently TTCing for baby number 2. So the vlog before this, I give a little update, and yeah, we are currently trying. So we will be testing, starting our pregnancy testing the week of the 23rd of July. So hopefully we will get a positive, but if you guys want to follow along with our journey, we would love to have you, and I hope you subscribe and stay a while. I always like to dust pretty much everything in Bee's room, not just the dresser, but even the walls can get gunky. The picture frames, her diaper genie, the baseboards can get super dusty, the doors. I just like to clean everything so that her nursery is dust-free, or as dust-free as possible, and it's just a clean environment for her, and it's better for her breathing if there's no dust and stuff like that. So I just like to clean everything and to make it all nice for the little princess. If you have any questions about where I got anything in Bee's room, just leave them down below and I will answer them for you. Her dresser was from IKEA, the change pad and her bedding was from Bed Bath & Beyond, and the crib was from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. Diaper Genie was like Amazon. The paint color is a beautiful gray that I also have in the other spare bedroom. That's going to be baby number 2's color, and it's called Rodeo by Benjamin Moore, and I love it. Her little shelf is from HomeSense, the little dream catchers from HomeSense, and I made the frames above her, or painted the frames above her bed myself. They're just like old frames that I have. Her little pink chair is from Walmart. Her teddy bears, I'm not sure because they were a gift from her uncles, but the rug is from HomeSense. I think the glider, I'm not actually sure where the glider is from, or the chandelier. They were a gift, so I can't help you out there. But yeah, everything's pretty much HomeSense or Bed Bath & Beyond, or IKEA. Let me know how many or how often you guys clean your children's nursery or your children's room. Is it like once a week, once a month, once every 2 weeks? Or how many rooms do you have to clean? I only have obviously one child, so I do this like once a week, I want to say, just to keep everything nice and fresh. But yeah, let me know how often you guys do yours, because I always love hearing your cleaning schedules, and you guys seriously motivate me so much to clean my house and make these videos for you. So thank you for following my channel and for subscribing, because you all inspire me to be more creative with my videos and do more cleaning videos for you guys and cooking videos. So I hope that you like this video and stay tuned for lots of cleaning, organizing, and cooking videos, because girl, they're coming at you, and so are my TTC videos, because I'm trying so hard to get pregnant, and I can't wait till I'm pregnant again and to share that news with all of you. You will be the first ones, well, the second ones to know. Obviously, I'm going to tell my parents first and immediate family, but you will be the first people to know. That doesn't make sense, but you know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow my Instagram for lots of daily pictures and cute videos of Miss Bee. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back. back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can